Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Gaile, and whether it's about dermatology or sharing a piece of my personal world, I am here to bring knowledge and authenticity straight to you. Today, we have a unique topic that I'm really excited to talk about. Korean versus Japanese skincare. Alam nyo kasi guys, at my age, I've seen my fair share of trends come and go. And nung bata pa ako, Japanese skincare was the epitome of luxury and efficacy. Tuwing skincare yung pinag-uusapan, I always hear Japan. And at that time, sila yung top of mind when it comes to skincare innovation. Fast forward to today, and it seems like the spotlight has shifted to Korea, with K-beauty routines and products flooding our shelves and social media feeds. So ano ba talagang pagkakaiba nila? Let's discuss. We all know that skincare is deeply ingrained in both cultures. For Koreans and Japanese, it's more than just a regimen. It's a part of their lives, and it's often seen as an investment in oneself. In this video, I won't be comparing products, but their skincare philosophies, yung techniques na ginagamit nila, and even the cultural importance placed on skincare. Let's discuss skincare philosophies, starting with Japanese skincare. The Japanese skincare philosophy places a great emphasis on simplicity, usually comprising just a few steps or using few high-quality products. Being gentle on the skin is seen in both the types of products used and the application methods. The ingredients na ginagamit in Japanese skincare are also often derived from natural sources like rice bran, green tea, and algae, and are rich in antioxidants. There's a focus on holistic well-being, and kasama ng skincare is their diet and lifestyle because they believe that internal health reflects on the skin. Unlike trend-driven Korean skincare, the Japanese approach is often consistent over the long term. Sa totoo lang, my skincare routine is more aligned with Japanese skincare philosophies because I like my skincare routine simple. I use gentle skincare products and I advocate for a holistic approach to skincare. Ibig sabihin nun, kailangan ayusin mo yung habits mo and lifestyle, hindi lang skincare. But of course, as we get older, hindi natin may iwasan yung paggamit ng additional skincare products because our needs and issues change over time. In summary, Japanese skincare is mainly about simplicity, quality, and long-term benefits. Ngayon, paano naman yung Korean skincare? The Korean skincare philosophy naman is more focused on prevention over cure. Mas importante sa kanila yung preventing skin issues from happening, kaya karamihan sa kanila start skincare routines at a young age. They are also very much into hydration and moisture and equates hydrated skin with healthy skin. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, they like to layer skincare products and usually have extensive routines. Sa kanila actually nauso yung 10-step and 7-step skincare routines. Koreans also like to incorporate natural or nature-derived ingredients like snail mucin, bee propolis, centella asiatica, and ginseng. Personalized skincare is encouraged in Korea. Walang one-size-fits-all, and they like to customize routines based on skin types, concerns, and even the changing season. And lastly, Korean skincare is known for their new formulations, technologies, and innovations, being at the forefront of dermatology and skincare. If you ask me, I agree naman with most of their philosophies except the extensive skincare routines. Because for me, putting on layers and layers of skincare is not really tugma sa klima natin dito sa Pilipinas kasi humid, wet, and dry tayo versus Korea, which is dry and has 4 seasons. There's also a potential for overuse of skincare products which can lead to skin irritation or sensitivity, making active ingredients less effective. In summary, Korean skincare philosophy emphasizes prevention, layering of products, and personalized skincare routines tailored to individual needs. Alamin naman natin yung mga core skincare steps of each. Japanese skincare steps include cleanser, often a gentle water-based one, lotion, to hydrate the skin and prepare the skin to absorb subsequent products better. Yung lotions nila are more viscous than toners, pero parang toners na din. Serums, for a targeted treatment, moisturizers, and they like using quality moisturizers, and it is often a must-have. And lastly, sunscreens. a non-negotiable step for skin health. Punta naman tayo sa Korean skincare steps. Often, they use two types of cleansers. Oil-based, designed to remove makeup and oil-based impurities, and water-based to remove water-based debris and residual impurities. Next step usually is toner, to balance the skin's pH, prepare the skin to better absorb subsequent products, and it's an essential step for effective layering. Third is essence, a lightweight, nutrient-rich fluid that adds a layer of hydration and aids cellular turnover. So ito dati hindi ko siya naiintindihan, pero ngayon alam ko na because it is referred to as the heart of the Korean skincare routine because it bridges the gap between cleansing and the nourishing steps. Fourth step is usually serums, followed by sheet masks. So sheet masks are fabric sheets soaked in essence or serums that offer intense hydration and targeted treatments. They also like putting on eye cream and moisturizers to lock in moisture and all the goodness from previous steps. And last step, of course, is sunscreen, the ultimate preventive measure. Ngayon, ano-ano naman ang skincare techniques ng bawat isa? For the Japanese, meron silang lotion masking, which is soaking cotton pads in lotion or toner and placing them on the face like a sheet mask. Meron din silang gankin massage. Actually, ito ngayon ko lang ito narinig. It's a facial massage technique designed to contour and lift the face. And itong isa, actually, mahilig ako dito sa food na to, but it's called mochi skin, a soft and plump texture similar to Japanese mochi. And finally, quality over quantity approach of using fewer but high-quality products. For Koreans, they have the ever-famous double cleansing, which is using an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser, now known worldwide for its thorough yet gentle cleansing. Meron din silang 10-step skincare routine, and then yung 7-skin method, which is applying up to 7 layers of toner in succession for deep hydration without the use of heavy or greasy product. Syempre, there's sheet masking, which offers a spa-like experience at home and provides intense hydration. Ito, natutunan ko din to sa kanila, pimple patching, which is using hydrocolloid patches on acne lesions. And lastly, facial massages using techniques like patting and tapping to apply products that are believed to increase product absorption and stimulate circulation. And there you have it. Diba sobrang fun, guys? I hope you learned a lot from this episode. Kasi when I was doing research, actually, tuwan-tuwa din ako, ang dami ko natutunan. Because Japanese and Korean skincare each has its unique strengths, and there's a lot to appreciate and integrate into our own skincare routines. It's not really necessary to strictly follow one over the other, because remember, the ultimate goal here is to understand your skin, its needs, its quirks, and how it responds to different products and techniques. As a board-certified dermatologist, I can't stress enough the importance of personalized, evidence-based skincare. If there's one takeaway from today's discussion, let it be this: be informed, be discerning, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice when in doubt. So what are your thoughts? Are you like me, taking the best from each philosophy to create a routine that's uniquely yours? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And of course, guys, I'm gonna remind you again that we're on our way to reaching 100,000 subscribers, so please comment below with any thoughts or topics you'd want me to do next. I promise you, this is just the beginning, and together, we'll explore so much more. So, until next time, see you again in the next video. Bye!